Hey guys, I'm Juliana, your automotive woman. Welcome back to How To Tuesday. If you missed a previous episode of How To Tuesday, click the link above. But this episode is all about the 2024 Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV. So this SUV comes standard with seating for 7. There's also a power liftgate. It's hands-free, and just make sure the key fob is in your pocket purse or hand. Now, what I'm going to show you today is how to put the third row seats down and then put them back into place, because it's different than the gas model Mitsubishi GT Premium trim. Okay, so if you ever get lost, all right, it's pretty easy to follow. They're actually numbered of what steps to do, and there's also a diagram. So step 1, pretty easy, put the headrests down. Okay, step 2, put the back of the seat down. Then you have to unlock it, and when you push this, when you pull this cord right here, it's actually going to unlock, and you're going to hear it click. Just like that. Pull up. Right? Now it all folds. Pretty easy, right? And then you almost kind of reverse. You don't have to follow all the steps, but number 1, just flip back over. Okay, number 2, pull it back up. That's it. Put your headrest back into place. Easy breezy. Guys, if you want to see my full head-to-head review with the PHEV versus the gas-powered Outlander, check out my YouTube channel and subscribe.